Hello everyone, Kakao Mangladias Neo. I am Seang Hti, because I'm Seang Hti. Today I want to share something personal, my English learning journey. Hani na ten isan men cry ne nga pung mu tom nisan English ngao ra san tu mu the pujen. I'm not a professional teacher. I'm just a learner who's never stop trying. Kusan mu na te dangan liang chara mung ta sha de ta mui tao pung mu tom san tu mu yo ta en yung nang tao sa sa po ao na cha te ba te yo khao san tu da san tu sa ta sha de ni sa ne o. It all started in 2010 at a summer camp. Now na te cha ni rin ta chi kam seng la san tan ko ne no. That was my first English class. Now then is an a re suit English san tan do ba na cha 3 months ko som la lum but it sparked something in me. Now ago now ni san tan no ta pu beng thwa learn the teachers ne no. After my matriculation exam, I spent a year at home. Nisan tan ta chi ong thu king now taning bobo nisan out there lam no internet en thao no teacher san pisa te en thao a book and a mirror lik uk tan ta moon lum. I practice my English speaking every single day. Jumni ta sha lum san tu English ngangwa. Greeting people, nuk chap ang ni mai cha basic conversation aki kam ngao raung just me and my reflection. Nisan tom nisan le ngai lum. In 2014, I moved to a school in Hopong Township. Nearing the Shilit King now, Nisan Plong to Kyong the Kyong, Hopong goes on Nong goes on. That's where everything changed. Now go now, Plong Lai Mu Twa Art and Sane. I met people from different backgrounds. Nisan Kwe Art and Lo Bong Jum. And I pushed myself to speak in English with them every chance I got. Nisan Nam Tom Nam, thank you, Jam, La Kwang Re the Tomai, the Tomwisi and Kyuchado, which an English now. Why my friends were playing or talking, Yalang Nisan Swa or Min or Piking or Kumcho Taking now. I borrow a phone, Nisan Tula Osi phone and practice English. Nisan Kyucha do English. In 2015, I got a scholarship program for a diploma course, 15 months. Needing the Chingat King now, Nisan La scholarship Santa Chingat La. That pushed me even farther. In 2016, I became a volunteer teacher in Rakhine State. Nearing the Chisuki, Nisan Twalan, right that Charamundra, Rakhine Kam goes no internet, no connection. Internet that out, Pongleng that out. So I did something different. I listened to 60 songs over and over. Nisan na English ngaus kyang apuk suchi. The length to the length. Reading the lyrics. Ho twa ngaus kyang lik ren pong. And picking up vocabulary. Te tan lik frong. And slowly my listening skill became fluent. Now today Nisan say namu ati sui no tak learn saneo. In 2018, nearing the Shisatko now, I got a chance to attend a theater for children education in Okinawa, Japan. Okinawa, Japan, kam go now, Nisan Sun Tu Kwang La, Bungu Tom Lupi, Pinyari, Sun Tandaba. That experience opened my world. A quick you now the bate, Nisan Atana, Q During that time, a king now Pong now. I became a volunteer teacher in a monetary school in Nangtao. Sharing everything I learned with young people in my community. During the pandemic 2020 and 2021, I became an English language teacher under the American University of Rangoon in the Dinat Myanmar program. Nisan Twalan online English Ramung Tasha Tantakso out the Rangoon go Dinat Myanmar program goes. So teaching, learning and growing. At the same time, now I was as an English teacher by doing home teaching. A king now English now at the end of 2023, now I moved to Singapore. Singapore comes. I started as a room attendant at the Marina Basin Hotel. Marina Basin Hotel company ko na nisan teja ni akan piosa ni. After 2 years, I was promoted to room controller. เอาหน้าถือนะนี่นิ่งเลยนะนิสันอาราทั้งเล่น room controller กระโดดทิ้งทั่วอาคารซา and now I work as a room controller at the same company อยู่ค่ะแต่นิสันเอามาจะถือยังเดียวทำไมอยู่กุมนี้อยู่ชละสเนี่ยเนาะ here is why this channel พูดทำไมแต่ท้องบ้าฉันน่ะอยู่ที่บ้านนะแต่ living far from home I realized something เอาองค์เนี่ยล่ำคิงตวงเนี่ยนิสันทยุละเล่นตบ้า I was improving my English skill every dayนิสันจุดนี้นิสัน English เงาหราอยู่พิกฟรูละนิสันเอาสั้นถูจุดนี้ but I was slowly losing touch with my PA-OH language แต่เพนเอาแต่นิสันสิมึงผ่าภาษาเงาหวากระถวาดาPA-OHเงาหวาอยู่แต่จุดนี้โดซุงเลินมุชีเลินสเนี่ย so that's why I created this channel ก็นำมานิสันเตทองบาชนะอยู่ตบ้า not just to speak English but to speak PA-OH too โดคือ English เงาหราตะมิวลงตะมุยเต้าPA-OHเงาแต่ยามพีนี้กระโดดทานตอกตาซะเนี่ยเนาะ to keep both alike together เพก็เอามุ่นบานซึบๆตานะจ๊ะนะเตเอาเกี่ยวจานะจ๊ะซะเนี่ยอ๋อ I'm not perfect and I'm not professional นี่ซะน่ะดางาเลียงอ่ะเตตะมุยเต้าซะเนี่ย I'm just someone who showed up every single day and kept trying นี่ซะนะเตจุมนี้ก็เอาเกี่ยวจาดาก็เอาเส้นถูดาโลตชาเดนี่ซะเนี่ยอ๋อSo if I could learn English from a mirror in a small village with no internet, trust me, you can too. ก็นมาอินเทอร์เน็ตแต่เอ็นเท้าดงเปตะดงกับโกตอมมุนเปตะบา English เงาราตาเส้นทูมุนี่จ้ากะสวสิเตมาเนืองนันนิสันยืมเดีย I am Seang Hti, PA-OH English, and this is just the beginning. Thank you.